Welcome back, my artistic family, to Shannon Gibson Art and Designs. Thank you so much for being here. If you are new, thank you for stopping by. So guys, what I have here is a 12 by 12 gallery wrapped deep edge canvas. I got a bugger in my paint, and instead of me realizing that my paint was too dry to take it out, because it was halfway dry, dries more quick on the center or on the sides before it dries in the center, and he was here. That was the spot. And so I took him out, and because the paint was so thick, I couldn't fix it. So the only way to salvage this canvas, because they're expensive, was to add texture. So what I'm doing, and this is great practice for me, because I have a huge canvases ready to go for some abstract painting and texture. I'm going to add to a few of them. So this here is by Deco Art Americana. It's texture sand medium, and it isn't just plain sand, it's a medium, so it's mixed. And then it's ultra fine grit paste, so it's really fine. So this is what it looks like. Okay, it's really fine. And of course, if you want it thicker, you can add stuff to it. You can just use plain sand and mix that right in with your paint instead of having a medium. There's so many ways to add texture, but I really wanted to try this. It suits my style. I'm not just using the texture sand, I'm also using it in conjunction with some plastic that I just took off the covering of one of my Michaels canvases, and I keep this because maybe I want to use it to cover some leftovers, etc. I'm always looking to reduce, reuse, recycle. Very practical with my intentions. And then I'm just going to scrunch this up to create some wrinkles in this. And I'm going to lay this around here where it's more flat. And I'm going to create some texture along with the texture sand. So the colors I'm using today, guys, are the same ones I did on this, which were the classics. sophisticated and elegant. And it is hard for you guys to see a bit, but you can see the matte versus the gloss paint, and that just adds so much more interest. You can see here the fine layers of texture that I added here on the side. And again, you see the contrast. I really love, as much as I love gloss, we all know, I really love the matte mixed with it. And you see a lot of it over here as well. Now, you can't see as much from where I laid the plastic down. You can see a bit of it, okay, from over here. I laid it more over here and did a lot of the gloss over on this side, as you guys saw earlier. But because I was new to layering the texture, I didn't make it really thick. And it was a medium, so it's not as thick as if you used like the texture compound, or if I had went in and let it dry and laid some more. But I love how this turned out. I love the extra lines and stuff that I added in there. And I just really love it. Really simple. I was able to save the canvas. So if you guys ever have a canvas that's really failed and you can't do a repour over it, doing a simple abstract painting or using texture over the parts that are beat up are perfect. Now I did the sides in the Artist Loft Soft Body Gloss, or body, but it's gloss. And I just really love how this turned out, guys. It's just, I love it. I absolutely love it. Extremely simple, but like I said, really elegant and sophisticated, and there's lots of interest in it. So until next time, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please go ahead and like, share, and subscribe. There's a lot of you that are still watching me but not subscribed. So go ahead and hit that button. You can unhit it anytime. It is free. And I really appreciate it. It helps the channel grow and it lets me know what you guys like so I can do more of it. So until next time, stay tuned for the quick close-up and I'll see you all in the next pour.